The Environmental Advocacy Clinic is a fantastic opportunity for students to work on a broad range of environmental issues: clean air, clean water, climate change, drinking water, cleanup of hazardous waste.
I love environmental law because I think it is so important from a social justice standpoint. It gets to the heart of the interconnection between human beings and the natural world.
Right in the heart of the city of Chicago, we have two coal-powered plants that are leading to extensive asthma in young children in Hispanic communities, and they're allowed to operate without the kinds of scrubbers that we need. So I think students are seeing a place where they truly can get involved and make the world better, and where they also feel an immediate touch with how they live.
Part of what we're trying to do as environmental lawyers, and people who are learning how to be lawyers, is to figure out what are energy solutions that are not only sustainable from a natural resources perspective, but are sustainable just from a perspective of social justice and community health.
And we do it in partnership with the Environmental Law and Policy Center, which is the premier Midwestern environmental organization. So students work on projects directly in the clinic and with the LPC.
The best thing about my clinical experience has been learning the intricacies of the Illinois lawmaking process. And that's just something that I think is really difficult to capture in a classroom setting. It really is something you learn by doing.
What I hope they really take away is the ability to really analyze a problem strategically and think about what our goals are, and then think about all the different things we can use to accomplish that goal.